is the anterior temporal cortex. Some other cortex area, cortical area that I would like to discuss, the gustatory area, the area of the taste. It has the location very similar to that of secondary somatic area, that is the inferior aspect of the precentral gyrus, postcentral gyrus, just above the lateral sulcus, and adjoining area of the insula too. And it receives the signals from the ventro-posteromedial nucleus of thalamus, and the thalamus receives the signal from solitary tract. So it is responsible for bringing the sensation of taste into your consciousness. There is vestibular area roughly at the same point. Postcentral gyrus is roughly at the areas of the face opposite to the auditory area, and it is responsible for appreciation of position and movements of head in space, and influences the movement of eyes and muscles and limbs. Insula, that is present in depth of the lateral sulcus, that is a hidden lobe that you do not see if you do not dissect it or make the lateral sulcus apart. And the anterior aspect is granular, the posterior aspect is agranular. Its function is not very much known, and you will find a lot of discrepancy between the books. Snell says it is responsible for planning and coordination of speech. Some books related to the emotional states, some books also related to the limbic system, and so on. But you just get an idea of where the insula is.